Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2013 Ford F-150. Stock number is A7515A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. A look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. Taking a look at the tread on the tires. Inside, leather interior. You do have the limited badging here with the limited seats. Seats are all very clean all the way throughout. Up top you do have a sunroof, and your rear seats are heated seats. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. Factory trailer hitch as well as rear backup sensors and a camera. Taking a look at the bed, you do have the soft cover on top that keeps the bed very safe. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Both passenger and driver side do have power folding running boards. Inside, cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo, also has your dual heated and cooled seats, dual climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this F-150 on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.